AI Multi-Marketer Review. Upload unlimited contacts, send unlimited emails, message, WhatsApp texts without getting banned, restrictions or manually writing anything. Sign up to get a chance to win a free copy. Instantly reach out to your customers and subscribers and skyrocket your traffic and sales. How we get up to 90% open rates and 1000s of clicks per day by combining the power of ChatGPT plus email, SMS and WhatsApp. Without writing, restrictions or monthly fees. 10x your reach and sales, upload unlimited contacts, send unlimited emails, message, WhatsApp texts without manually writing in seconds. We have found a secret way to leverage the combined power of email, SMS and WhatsApp and 10x your reach, traffic, and sales all from one single dashboard. This is the same secret system I and many of my clients use on a daily basis to 10x our reach, traffic and sales. If you just keep relying on those outdated methods anymore, one thing for sure, you'll keep getting limited in your reach, you'll keep getting banned and you will never be able to dominate your market. Only dumb people are still relying on outdated methods and are stuck with their cold, dead and boring subscribers. Just a year back, things were very different for me. I was generating $500 1000/day in affiliate commissions, sales and consulting fees by just sending a few emails to my list. It was easy. I would simply send an email and boom, the sales would come rolling in. Life was good. But then I saw a drastic decline in my business. My delivery rates, open rates and click rates were all down drastically. I was still making sales, but the number had gone down to just a fraction of what it used to be. I was furious. I thought, how could this happen to me? They wouldn't even let me download my email list. Even after paying $1,000 every month, I had a huge list, and creating mini campaigns, my autoresponder provider banned me. Early bird AI multi-marketer. On top of that, they told me, it's my mistake. Which was obviously a lie, it was their mistake. And I was devastated. I was on the verge of losing everything. That's when I realized, I have to find a better way to reach out to my subscribers and customers. I had to buy 3 different autoresponders, write 3 different messages, set up 3 different campaigns, and it was a tedious task. For a week, I kept repeating the same thing, over and over again. The good thing was, I was making more money. Smile. But the bad thing is, it was taking up all my time and energy. That's when I decided, enough is enough. This is the time everyone was talking about ChatGPT 3, a revolutionary artificial intelligence that can talk to you directly like a human and answer all kinds of questions or queries. I had to try it. So I got my hands on ChatGPT 3. And wow! I don't have to manually write all the emails and text anymore. I called up my development team and we got to work. 100% cloud-based software, unlimited bulk text, SMS, WhatsApp messaging system. User can create list, upload contacts and start messaging. User can schedule messages as well. User can generate marketing text messages using AI. User can set responsive messages using AI, message template system where user can store messages as text and use it later. Auto lead collection system where lead goes into all places like email, SMS, and WhatsApp. Access to all our offers and DFY messages for instant profit. Fast action bonus number 1, unlimited commercial license, value $297. Fast action bonus number 2 to 5 done for you email campaigns, value $197. Fast action bonus number 3 to 100 ChatGPT prompts, value $297. Fast action bonus number 4, referral marketing, value $197. Fast action bonus number 5, omni-channel marketing, value $397. Fast action bonus number 6, the unshakable super affiliate, value $197. Fast action bonus number 7, email energizer, value $97. Fast Action Bonus number 8 to 100 Autoresponder Marketing Emails, value $97. Fast Action Bonus number 9, Social Traffic Plan, value $97. Fast Action Bonus number 10, Digital Agency, value $197. Thank you for watching video. And get ASAP your